Hello everyone, it's Dr. Oz, and today we're tackling that annoying cough and scratchy sore throat that can really disrupt your day and leave you feeling run down. A cough is your body's way of clearing out irritants. Think of it as your lungs' security guard, always on duty to protect you from dust, germs, or anything that doesn't belong. While helpful, coughing can be exhausting and uncomfortable, especially when it keeps you up at night or makes it hard to talk or eat. A sore throat usually means inflammation. The back of your throat gets red and swollen, making swallowing painful and even simple things like drinking water a challenge. Viruses, bacteria, dry air, or allergies can all be culprits. Sometimes, even talking too much or breathing through your mouth at night can irritate your throat. Often, cough and sore throat show up together thanks to postnasal drip. Mucus irritates your throat, making you cough, which in turn makes your throat even more sore. It's a frustrating cycle that can feel never-ending if you don't address it. Breaking that cycle is key to feeling better. The sooner you soothe your throat and calm your cough, the faster you'll be on the road to recovery. Understanding what's happening puts you in control. When you know the cause, you can choose the right remedies and avoid things that make symptoms worse. Your body is already working to heal. Our job is to help it along by giving it the support and comfort it needs during this time. We want to soothe irritation, calm inflammation, and support your natural defenses with gentle, effective remedies that you can find right at home. Let's dive into how nature can help you get back to feeling your best. Ready? Let's get started on your journey to relief and recovery. Why reach for herbs instead of drugstore meds? In a world where quick fixes are everywhere, it's easy to grab a bottle off the shelf. But have you ever wondered what's really in those pills and syrups? Many over-the-counter remedies work, but they can bring side effects like drowsiness, dry mouth, or stomach upset. Sometimes, the relief comes at a cost to your overall well-being. For common coughs and sore throats, gentle herbal remedies can be just as effective, without the extras. These natural options are often easier on your body and can be tailored to your needs. Nature's pharmacy has been trusted for thousands of years. Across cultures and generations, people have turned to plants for healing and comfort. Herbs often work with your body, thinning mucus and soothing tissues, not just masking symptoms. They support your body's natural healing process, helping you recover more gently. They're packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatories to help your immune system fight back. These powerful compounds can reduce inflammation, ease discomfort, and even speed up recovery. Many remedies, like honey, ginger, and peppermint, are already in your kitchen. You don't need a special trip to the store. Just open your pantry or fridge. That means you can start feeling better right away. With a few simple steps, you can brew a soothing cup and begin your healing journey from the comfort of home. Herbal hacks are about holistic care, soothing symptoms, hydrating, and reducing stress. They nurture your body and mind, helping you feel cared for and supported. A warm cup of tea does more than treat your throat. It helps your whole body relax and recover. The ritual itself can be calming, turning a simple remedy into a moment of self-care. Simple, convenient, and rooted in tradition. Herbal remedies connect us to nature and to generations before us. Let's explore the best herbal solutions for your cough and sore throat. Discover how these time-tested ingredients can make a difference in your daily life. Your healing journey starts at home. Embrace the power of nature's pharmacy and see how simple changes can lead to lasting comfort and wellness. Let's start with honey, nature's sweet healer. Honey isn't just delicious, it's a powerful soother for sore throats and coughs. Its antibacterial properties help fight germs, while its thick texture coats and protects irritated throat tissues. A spoonful of honey can bring instant relief, especially for dry, nagging coughs. Studies show honey can be as effective as some cough medicines. For adults and kids over 1, take 1 to 2 teaspoons straight or mix into warm water or tea with lemon. The warmth and honey work together for maximum comfort. Remember, never give honey to children under 1 year old due to the risk of botulism. Choose raw, unpasteurized honey for the most benefits. It's safe, effective, and easy to use. Keep honey on hand for quick, natural relief. Sometimes the simplest remedies are the best. Let's move on to another kitchen superstar. Next up, ginger, the spicy root with serious healing power. Ginger's gingerols fight inflammation and pain, making it perfect for sore throats. It also has antimicrobial properties to help fight off germs. For coughs, ginger acts as an expectorant, thinning mucus so you can clear it out. Make ginger tea, slice or grate a piece of fresh ginger, steep in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Add honey and lemon for extra soothing. Drink several times a day for comfort and relief. The steam helps open nasal passages too. No fresh ginger? Use half a teaspoon of ground ginger in hot water. Ginger is a zesty, effective way to support your immune system. It's easy, affordable, and works fast. Don't underestimate this kitchen staple. Let's look at another gentle remedy. Chamomile is the gentle nurse of the herbal world. It's famous for relaxation, but it's also a powerful soother for sore throats. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help reduce pain and swelling. Sip warm chamomile tea to lubricate your throat and ease discomfort. It also relaxes throat muscles, calming coughs and helping you sleep. Use tea bags or loose flowers. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey for extra relief. For congestion, try chamomile steam inhalation. Breathe in the steam from a strong brew. It moisturizes your throat and nasal passages. Chamomile is comfort in a cup and a mini spa for your airways. Next, let's cool things down. Peppermint brings instant cooling relief. Its menthol content breaks up mucus and gently numbs sore throats. Peppermint is a natural decongestant and expectorant, perfect for stuffy noses and chesty coughs. Drink peppermint tea. Steep a bag of fresh leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Breathe in the steam as you sip for extra benefit. For congestion, add a few drops of peppermint oil to hot water and inhale the steam. Eyes closed. Peppermint's cooling effect soothes pain and helps you breathe easier. It doesn't cure the cause, but it makes symptoms much more bearable. Easy to find, easy to use, and refreshingly effective. When you need a breath of fresh air, reach for peppermint. Now, let's talk about a golden healer. Turmeric is up next. Turmeric, often called the golden spice, is a true powerhouse when it comes to fighting inflammation in the body. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, this vibrant yellow root is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a natural remedy with impressive healing abilities. Its active compound, curcumin, has been shown in studies to rival some anti-inflammatory drugs without the harsh side effects that often come with pharmaceuticals. Curcumin works by blocking molecules that cause inflammation, making it a gentle yet effective option. Turmeric can help calm swelling and pain in your throat, soothing irritation and supporting your body's natural healing process. It's especially helpful when you're dealing with a scratchy or sore throat. Beyond its anti-inflammatory powers, turmeric is also a strong antioxidant and boasts antiviral and antibacterial properties. This means it not only reduces swelling, but also helps your body fight off infections and recover faster. One of the tastiest ways to enjoy turmeric is by making golden milk. Simply warm a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, then whisk in half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption, and a dash of cinnamon or ginger for extra flavor and benefits. Sweeten your golden milk with a little honey, then sip it slowly. This comforting drink can help ease your throat and relax your body, especially before bed. Or, if you prefer, make a soothing turmeric gargle. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of salt into a glass of warm water, gargle for a few seconds, and spit it out. This simple remedy can bring quick relief. The salt helps reduce swelling, while turmeric works to fight inflammation and support healing in your throat. Just be aware, turmeric's bright color might stain your sink, but the soothing relief it brings is well worth a little extra cleanup. Turmeric is truly a multitasking healer, right there in your spice rack, ready to help whenever you need it. So, At the very first sign of a sore throat or discomfort, reach for turmeric and give your body a natural boost. And don't forget, there are plenty of other natural tricks you can use alongside turmeric to support your recovery and overall wellness. Here's how to feel better, fast, by harnessing the power of nature's golden spice and a few simple home remedies. Beyond herbs, simple steps can speed your recovery. Steam is your friend. Take a hot shower or breathe in steam to soothe airways and loosen congestion. Try a salt water gargle. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in warm water, gargle for 30 seconds and spit. This reduces swelling and keeps your throat clean. Stay hydrated. Drink water, broth, or herbal teas to thin mucus and keep tissues moist. Rest is essential. Your body needs energy to heal. Use a humidifier at night to prevent dryness and reduce coughing. No humidifier? Place a bowl of water near a heat source. These small changes make a big difference in comfort and recovery. Combine these tricks with herbal remedies for best results. Take care of your body. It's working hard for you. And remember, know when to seek help. Natural remedies are great for mild symptoms, but know when to call your doctor. If your sore throat is severe, sudden, or makes swallowing or breathing hard, seek medical advice. White spots, high fever, rash, or swollen lymph nodes. Get checked for strep or other infections. A cough lasting more than 2 weeks or with thick phlegm, wheezing, or chest pain needs a doctor's attention. Trust your instincts. If you're not getting better, ask for help. Use these remedies for comfort, but partner with your doctor for your health. Stay well and let nature support your healing journey.